May God bless you. First of all, my name is Dika from P6. I am now the chairperson of today's debate with a motion which states that education is better than money. So allow me to welcome the first main speaker in affirmative side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, Judge, Timekeeper, affirmative side, negative side, guest of honor plus the audience. My name is Abana. I am in primary 6 from Bright Moon Nursery Primary School. I am here as a debater of today's debate with the motion statement. Education is better than money. First of all, let me first explain the keywords. First of all, education is a process of gaining knowledge, skills, values, and through studying. Thank you. My first point. An educated person can solve problems easily. For example, lawyers have more skills of solving problems because they are educated. Thank you, Chairperson, Judge, Timekeeper, affirmative side, guest of honor plus the audience.
Thank you, Ms. Chairperson, Judge, Timekeeper, affirmative side, negative side, guest of honor plus audience. First of all, my name is